Oh, nah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
I'm gonna need you to like cut it out. I'm gonna need you to cut it out. Cut it.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Max. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Let's get into something real quick. Today is Monday, right? December 12th. I literally had my son clean the deep freezer, and I need to buy some meat because ain't no meat up in there. There's maybe like 3 packs of meats, and I think they're all the same thing. So I'm gonna go to Costco real quick. I'm gonna buy some meat. Not a lot. I'm just gonna buy some meat, and we might also stop at Sephora, and we also might stop at Best Buy. I'm not sure yet, but I think we will. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. I woke up feeling like a little bit. Well, yesterday I was feeling kind of sick, and I had to drink me one of these ginger shots that they sell in Publix, and I feel better now. I feel better. And I also drank me some Theraflu. I knocked the heck out. Like, I literally knocked the heck out with that Theraflu. So yeah, so let's go. You guys want to ride? Let's ride with me. Shoot, yeah, my passenger. I'm gonna sit you guys right there. I'm gonna sit you guys right there. So let's ride. Have a good one. I'll see you at Sephora. Well, let's go to Sephora first. Yeah. This is what I use. This is pretty cool. I like this. Man, them pumpkin pies we tasting cool. They do, but no, they're too big.
Buena, ¿qué? Oh, lemon. Gracias.
La última. No, no sé. Me he fijado en el sitio de la primera.
They taste pretty good.
Where are they? Espérame. You want?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Me pica-
It's how much the thing costs. I think these are gonna be great. As biscuits. So far we got we got the thing. So I actually had to like renew my Costco's membership, and I had to pay for Jack. Hello. Let's try to look on no. Let's go to the snack section. It's hot. It's really hot up in here. I bought the alcohol to refill my alcohol spray that I have in the car because ain't nobody want no COVID-19. Spray your hands. Spray your hands. I put on my glasses because, man, it's hot up in here. Whew. Let's eat a little snack. When I got inside Sephora, you know, like, every place is a hit or miss. Some people don't care if you record, and some people trip. So the girl was like, oh, you can't record in here. And I was like, oh, okay. No problem. All right. Let's go. We ate our snack. We're good to go. Let me fix my mirror. I have a feeling my kid be driving my car, man, because my mirror stay messed up. And there's no reason why my mirror should be messed up. You know what I mean? I should have put gas, but I don't have my actual card. I have the digital, which is on my phone. You guys are driving with me. I just can't get distracted looking at the camera. But I won't. I'm a good driver. I'm a good driver. I'm a safe driver, shoot. My license even says safe driver. And you know, when your license plate, your driver's license says safe driver, it's official. You're a safe driver. Good morning, y'all. It's your girl Mags and my daughter Jocelyn. It is December 14th. It's 8:19. She needs to be to school before 8:25 because if not, she's late. And excuse if I look a little bit greasy. I'm not greasy. I'm not greasy. It's sunblock. So yeah, we're gonna go for a walk. So I got my I'm not gonna say like a waist trainer, but it's one of these like body slimmer things that makes you sweat. All right, so we're here. We just got here. We're gonna do some like, you know, a little bit of stretching, and then we're gonna walk, and then we might like speed walk, and then we might even run. I have my jump rope in the car as well, so let's see. I'll be back. Pretty. Plant harmony. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mags. Today is December 16th. Today is Friday. We're in the mall. It's an outside mall here in Florida. I want to go to Torrid. So let's see what's going on in Torrid. But hit up Torrid. Torrid behind some nice stuff. And it's a little bit expensive, but when they have their sales and their clearance, let me tell you, boy, you come out of there with a whole bunch of clothes on the low. Let's go. Let's set up the clearance rack. Let's see what they got in the clearance rack. Oh, this is nice. And as you can see, everything is taking an additional 70% off. So you're basically not even paying nothing for these clothes. So like 46, take off 70, it's gonna be $13.80. I was looking at this dress last time it came, but I don't think they have my size. Maybe a size 1. It's like I don't know. We gotta try it on. Let's see. But they do be having some nice stuff over here. Look at this cardigan. It's like a cardigan slash. This is nice, like with the all black dress. Let's see what we're looking like. Hold on, let me put my keys in my purse. No, I'll put it in my pocket just in case somebody be acting up. I can pop out. This is pretty. This is real pretty. Does this dress look familiar? I have this dress. Super pretty.
Look at your email. Look at your message and see if I sent you something with the carrot name on it. No, I put as a password. I put my
Y'all, it's your girl Mags. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today is December 18th. It's Sunday. I have been feeling like under the weather these past couple of days. Since like last week Friday, I've been feeling like doo-doo, straight doo-doo. I don't know, like I feel like there's a cold coming, but it doesn't want to come. And I took a COVID test. I did everything. I'm negative. I've been like overdosing on like lime, lemon, honey, ginger shots, doing all type of stuff, drinking Theraflu, drinking tea, rubbing Vicks all over me. Heck, I even bought the little inhaler of Vicks. And nothing. This morning I woke up like with no voice. And yeah, so this week I really didn't get into nothing. The only thing exciting that happened today was I found this little guy. I was coming out of Pet Supermarket and there was this lady on the ground calling something. You know, and me and my nosy behind, I was like, what is it, a parrot? And she was like, no, it's not a parrot. I know it's a type of bird. And I was like, oh, let me go see. So I went to go see. Me and her were calling the bird. The bird finally came from under the car. And it was him. So yeah, so I just wanted to close the vlog. I hope you guys have a good day. Have a good week. Tomorrow is back to reality. But yeah, guys, it was nice seeing you guys. Thank you so much for always coming back and looking at my stuff. I really do appreciate it. That means a lot to me. I see we have some new subscribers. Hey! Have a good week. We'll catch each other next week. Take care.